So in the last video, I taught you about Twixtor and 120 FPS edits, right? Well, these are just one step to making your video go viral. So in this video, I will tell you another way to make your edit viral. Yeah, it's motion tracking, or you can call it head tracking. And trust me, if you use this in your edits perfectly, there's a 99% chance that your video will get more views than usual or even go viral. You probably know that AE editors often use head tracking in their edits. And if you use this in your edit, the viewers will probably think,
"Oh, this guy is a pro. He uses motion tracking in his edits."
Until they find out you're just a random CapCut editor.
We don't care.
Anyways, let's see how we can make it. No hate to CapCut, but if you're planning to use CapCut head tracking feature for this, bro, you're done. Because I tried this thing before, it's okay, but not professional. Currently, the features isn't available in my version, glad. And if you're trying to do it with keyframes, like I literally did it in this video with the help of O. If you want to know how, just watch this video. And if you do it on Node Video,
As you can see, I am not dead.
you'll see too much jitter. Finally, the app name is Trackit. You can find it on Play Store, literally. Only 100K people have downloaded it, so underrated. Basically, it's made only for motion tracking. Let me show you. So here's the app lobby. Tap on the plus option to select your video. Now you can see how simple the interface is. No video effects, no mask tool, nothing extra. Now this is the video I'm gonna track the face in. Let me split the video first. To track the face, simply tap on stabilization, then click this settings option. Here you see all the tracking adjustments. Now to track the face, set it to object. You see here dual tracker, which means you can track two objects at the same time. Next is smoothness, set it to high, and turn on focus on object. Now, you see this circle? Drag it to the center of the character's nose. Now tap on track and let the app do its work. Do the same thing with all. It's done. But as usual, the black bars show up. You can remove them using the mirror option like this. But the thing is, you have to pay for it, and you're broke now. Instead, you can do this. Just export the video at the highest resolution possible. Now open CapCut and import it. All you have to do is select the 1:1 ratio and zoom the clip like this to cover the black bars. You see, it's gone. Align the clip perfectly, and you're done. Here's the final result.
Sir, I never yielded. As you can see, I am not dead.
Let's try it with another clip and make a zoom edit. The process is same. Just drag this circle into character's nose and tap on track. Follow me up. I've tracked all the clips and bring them into CapCut. Now hide the bars as I showed before and add zooms. Here's the result of head tracking. If you watch it closely, you can see characters' faces center all the time, which makes this edit smooth. That's it for the video. I hope you're gonna make edit with head tracking from now. I'll see you in the next video very soon.